Welcome to the Vintage Coach Manor Bag Tour. So the style number for this bag is 9977 and it was made in the US in 95 according to the creed, and the color is mahogany brown. So I'll go ahead and give you the 360 of the bag now. Actually, before I do that, I should show you it does have a little bit of wear. There's for some reason a little bit of like a lighter spot here. I did condition and clean the bag and it didn't really go away, so I'm not sure what exactly caused that, but it does have a little bit of wear throughout the bag, but nothing very serious. A little bit of dryness that didn't go away completely when I conditioned it. And then here on the back, it's got a deep slip pocket, which is convenient, of course, for a phone. And then here's the side view and the hang tag. And then here's the front again. And before I show you the inside, I was gonna mention that this particular Manor bag looks like somehow a custom strap was likely made for this bag. I have another Manor bag and the strap is the original, I would guess, or I believe it's the original, and it looks slightly different than this, but it looks like somebody likely had this strap custom made because it doesn't look like 100% like the original strap would have looked. You know, this buckle here is different, and then these dog leash clasps are slightly different too than the originals for this bag in specifically, but I have seen other Coach bags that have really similar clasps, so that's kind of interesting. But the strap, it's kind of hard to show it on camera, but the strap definitely matches the leather pretty well, the color, so it does go really well. And if you're not, most people wouldn't really know that it's a different replacement strap or custom made, I'm assuming, so that's interesting to mention. Whoever made it did a good job of matching the color with the bag, and it's a nice strap. Pretty sturdy. Anyway, I wanted to mention that. And then I should also mention, as I previously said, I do have another Manor bag in navy blue listed in my Etsy shop, so I'll go ahead and link the Etsy shop below if you want to see that. So here's the inside of the bag. It's got, it's pretty large inside actually. It's a pretty good size handbag. It's got these two separate compartments and then a middle zip compartment here. You could store some valuables in there. And then it's got this other zip pocket here. So it's quite a bit of interior room. And then, as I mentioned, it also has this back slip pocket, so you can fit quite a bit in this purse or in this handbag. And it's still not huge in size, so I don't think it would be super heavy on your shoulder, even though you can fit quite a bit inside. So I think it's a nice kind of medium-sized bag, or maybe slightly on the larger scale, but still not super big, if that makes sense. I'll go ahead and link the Etsy listing below, and it'll have the photo measurements of the bag if you want to see specifically how large it is. But anyway, that's the close-up tour, and I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now on my mannequin, so you can see what it looks like as a crossbody. And here's what it looks like as a crossbody on my dress form. And this one also has an adjustable strap, so you could lengthen or shorten the strap slightly if you wanted to. Anyway, this will hopefully give you an idea of what the bag would look like worn or on. And here's kind of a view of the front. So it hits about at hip level. So that's about it for this bag. If you wanted to look at it further, I will of course link the Etsy listing below. Thanks for watching.